Summer is packed with parties and barbecues, and July 4th is probably the biggest event of the season. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. Here are some refreshing cocktails to help you celebrate the 4th of July. Okay, let's start with an easy one. The Red and Blue Berry Punch from Pinnacle. It's just equal parts Pinnacle Red Berry Vodka and Blue Curacao. Then top it off with a splash of lime juice and serve over ice. Garnish with strawberries and raspberries. The Rockets Red Glare from Trianon Tequila. 1.5 ounces of light tequila, 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice, half an ounce of orange liqueur, and 1 ounce of lime juice. Put it all in a blender with ice. Line the rim of the glass with blue sugar, and if you're feeling extra festive, garnish with a watermelon star. This last one isn't necessarily related to July 4th, but it is a signature summer drink, and it can make a party feel like vacation. The Pina colada. 1.5 ounces of light rum, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce cream of coconut, half a banana, and half a cup of crushed ice. Blend it until it's super smooth and garnish with a pineapple slice. And why not throw a paper umbrella on there too? Those are always fun. But 60, now you know, pass it on.